Hi, hello. Welcome to a new dev session. Today we keep on going with the physics. Well, physics. Physics is a big word. It's more of a collision detection system than a physics system right now, and it's not a very good one at that so far. So, yeah. Mm, Today we try to at least make it not have shitty performance. That would be a good start. And the next thing is to solve the issue with continuous collision detection. So that is basically when projectiles are too fast, so that they basically appear in one frame before the object, and the next frame they are way past it, so you never have a frame to detect the collision, basically. Yeah, so right now we are very susceptible to those issues, and that's the main thing that I want to solve. But at the same time, I feel like I really need to have a proper collision detection system and not just rely on the damage dealer system to do the collision detection and applying the hit. Um, so the thing is, this whole thing doesn't work because I created this interface so that I have a common type for all of these um, collider types, basically. Except I can't use this. I can't really use it because, well, this thing, it has no way to know what kind of memory layout it has, right? So, because it's just an interface, so it only defines function signatures, which mean that it has no idea what the actual type is going to hold, and we do actually a very different data. Well, not that much, but it's not exactly the same. And for the computer to be able to return stuff as the same type, it has to know like how much size any of those types take. Mm, I don't know how it works when it's done through inheritance. Mm, if it's going to allocate just like the largest size, or if it doesn't matter because it's managed memory and it's gonna fragment it anyway, so it doesn't care maybe. But in unmanaged memory you cannot do that because if the runtime uh, is not tracking this memory and splitting it over, um, I guess it means you just don't know how to free it anymore. Um, yeah. I guess you just can't fragment stuff if you don't have the programming language or the runtime or whatever it is that is managing the memory, because you just can't keep track of it then. So what is the solution to this? So one solution is to have a single collider component and have different types. Like just have an enum that says, hey, you're a box, you're a sphere, and etc. And have different code for each of them, I guess. But something I'm worried about also is having these methods on the structs bad. Like, does it require that anytime I create a new component of this type, does it have to allocate memory for these functions? I don't think it works like this. Like, there's no way. It wouldn't be very efficient, right? My assumption is that it puts this function somewhere in memory, and then if you call it on a specific instance, then it passes it as this argument. But it's not duplicating the function itself for every instance. That would be crazy. I kind of want to verify this though. Where I click this? I want a new window. Alright, so so it's doing some kind of trading app. Interesting. Alright, so what is... Okay, so that's kind of the question I'm asking right now, but not only. Yeah, okay, that's actually exactly my question. Code is shared between all the instances, okay. Code is stored separately from any data, and the memory for the code is only dependent on the amount of code, not how many instances of objects there are. This is true for both classes and structs. The main exception is generics. This will create a copy of the code for each type combination that is used. It is a bit more complicated since the code is cheated, cached, etc., but that is irrelevant in most cases since you cannot control it anyway. I would recommend making your struct immutable. You change update price so it returns a new struct instead of changing the existing one. See what is mutable structs evil for details. Making the structs immutable allow you to mark the struct as read-only, and that can help avoid copies when passing the struct with an in parameter. In modern C#, you can take references to structs in an array, and that can also helps avoiding copies, as you seem to be aware of. Structs are value types, which means they are copied when they are passed around. So if you change a copy, you are changing only that copy, not the original, and not any other copies which might be around. If your struct is immutable, then all automatic copies resulting from being passed by value will be the same. Okay. If you want to change it, you have to consciously do it by creating a new instance of the struct with the modified data. I mean, yes, but isn't this terrible for performance? Because you're constantly allocating new memory. If your struct is immutable, then all copies will be the same. No, it means that you have to consciously make a copy if you want a different value. Yeah. But it also means that they all... I guess maybe not, yeah. It means you won't get caught modifying a copy thinking you are modifying the original. Mm. Wait, so getting it out of a list will also copy it? Really? You don't get a reference if it's in the list? Mm. Yeah, but this is, as always, it is a trade-off, because sure, immutable is probably easier to maintain, but allocating all this memory has a cost for sure. So I would say this one modifies it, and this one also. Mm. And this one gets a copy, so it won't. I'm not sure though, because I felt like there's some kind of magic maybe. Okay, so no. Yes. Right. Question 2. If no outside references to wait. Yeah. If no outside references to foo exist before the method is called, could an outside reference exist after? Um, if no outside references to foo exist before the method is called, could an outside reference exist after? Mm, I'm trying to understand really. Like, you always have an outside reference of foo, no? Because like you need to pass one in. Oh, you mean a different one, I guess. I'm not sure I understand this. If no outside references to foo exist before the method is called, could an outside reference exist after? I'm not sure what it means by outside reference. Like, if you pass this one in, it gets a copy, so the original one still exists, no? One can't modify foo and never gets a reference. Method 2 gets a short-lived reference to foo, which it can use to modify the field of foo any number of times in any order until it returns, but it can't persist that reference. Okay, so that's what I mean, okay. So when you pass it by ref, it gets a reference that exists only for the scope of the method. Mm-hmm. The fuck is this? Mm-hmm. So read-only means that whatever calls on it just passed a copy always? So even though this is mutable, if this thing is read-only, what you get is a copy, and calling this will modify the copy instead. I'm not sure what this is, like, what the fuck's going on here? Let's ask ChatGPT about this. Let's copy the whole thing. Um, This statement in the constructor is a call to the parameterless constructor of the same class. Oh, so it's calling mutable without the int I parameter? It first called the parameter. Yeah, okay. In your struct definition, the presence of the this statement ensures that any initialization defined in the parameterless constructor is executed before the specific initialization in the constructor with parameters. Okay. However, in your current code, the struct mutable does not define the parameterless constructor explicitly. Yes, so why the fuck is he doing this? In C#, if no constructors are defined explicitly, the compiler provides a default parameterless constructor. This default constructor initializes all fields to their default values. 0 for integers, null for object references, etc. Okay. So yeah, okay. I mean, I don't know what's the point of doing this if you're passing the int I in it anyways. So you're assigning to it, so there's no way it can not be initialized. The body of the constructor is existing. Yes. Yes. Yes, so I is 0 at this point. The body of the constructor is executed, setting I to the value of I, which is fire. The constructor with this ensures that the struct is first initialized to its default state before any specific initialization logic. Yeah. So, I'm getting a bit lost here, but this is good stuff to know about. Now, the thing is, when I test for collisions, I want to be able to have a single type that I can return. So I think my only option to do this is to have a single type and an enum for the different kind of colliders that I have. I don't really see how else I can do this. So I guess I'm gonna change this thing. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to rewrite, but hopefully it's gonna be worth it. It's kind of gonna just be the same thing, but hey, what if I just rename this thing and turn it into a struct? I might actually make it. What the fuck is it doing? Completely frozen. Oh shit. Okay. Let's make this a struct. Let's make sure we burst compile it so that we don't do weird shit. Now, of course, we need to have actual bodies for this. And do I want to? No. For now, I'm gonna keep it like this. I would like to do it like this rather. The thing is, I can only burst static methods, so maybe you should just make them static and take a reference to another collider. And maybe it makes more sense to just take a ref system state and the entity, and we can take a color. Because I'm gonna have now to. I know, no. No, because now I can do this. And since I'm passing a reference to the system API, I can actually do this. Hmm? I thought with this I can do it though. Oh. Why can I not use the system API here? That's really strange. Well, anyways, I guess we just get the component data like this. Well, actually, yeah, no. I was thinking I need a getter for the collider, but I don't really. Because basically now we're gonna have a public enum collider shape, I guess. So we have box, sphere, circle, 0, 1, 2, and let's make sphere 0 actually. Don't want this to blow up if it doesn't have a collider. Not sure. I think for this one is fine to just return if it doesn't have it, we'll just not do anything. So can I burst compile this? Let's check it in Unity because I have too many errors to check anything. Okay, I think it's okay. So let's think a bit. So we're gonna need a float 3 center. We're gonna need a float 3 offset. We're gonna need a float for the radius. We're gonna need a float 2 for the extent or extents, and we're gonna need a width for the circle. And of course, we need a collider shape. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be right back. Alright, here we go again. So, here same thing, we do static, we burst compile it, and we say return so do I want to actually do it like this? Maybe I do want a Git collider actually. I don't want to do this shit all the time. Then collider at center plus yeah, plus collider that offset. Is it bad if I just get collider stuff all the time? Might be. I think we're gonna do this one actually. Yeah. Well, this is where things are going to get spicy. Well, I'll get rid of this one. But this one should be simple. This one's not gonna be as simple. What's happening? Okay. Yeah. Because now we have to condense basically all of this code into this one. And so let's make this static first. Let's first compile it as well. And I guess static will. I think I'm gonna have to do something like this. But like here we can directly take the collider. No, we can't. I need the position and shit, so yeah. So for the sphere, it's not that complicated. So he's hit by sphere, so this is what we need. We need to do this, yes. We're not gonna worry about additional data for now. So we need a local to world. It's gonna be L A shit A L, which is gonna be state that entity manager that get component data local to world of A. Maybe I don't want the get center thing because yeah, because we need to get the collider here. Actually, yeah, I don't need both of these, like, just need center offset. And here, I'm not supposed to return this. I'm supposed to return not I'm supposed to return the world position plus the center offset. Alright, and so here I can just write get center, ref state, pass A, and that's it. Then I can, so I don't need to do this actually. Okay, that's not that bad. Float 3, B, pose, gonna be get center, ref state, B. And I need the radius. guess I need the colliders as well. Alright. So with this we can do a radius is a collider at radius and b radius is b collider that radius, and then we return. We can do squared here, no? Can we? If I square the other one, I can, I think. Okay, let's not change stuff now. We can optimize it later. So A pose, B pose, and make sure it's less than A radius plus B radius. Yeah. I'm really not sure I want to do this like this. That's not very consistent. And so A to B is so it's no, it's A pose minus B pose. I guess it's better to just have it here. Alright, so let's say if so I need to get the colliders. No, I don't need to actually. I just need to say if oh yeah, no, I need to actually check it. Yeah. Now I actually need to get them to get the value. So I guess, yeah, I do need to do... I don't know how inefficient this is going to be, or if it doesn't really matter. So here we're gonna do if a collider that shape equals yes, collider sphere that shape, and B collider shape is also a sphere. Then we return is shit, a sphere colliding with sphere. Have state A, B, out collision. What's this a problem now? Oh, okay. I guess we'll just say like new collision. Maybe we need to have a collision. Maybe I should pass it by a ref instead of out. So that we can ride to it and maybe we can keep them around in a pool or something. I think it's better if I pass it like this. So I guess then I wouldn't create a new one and I would just assign to it. Where did my eye go? I wish it would infer what I'm doing here. Yeah, of course I could do it faster with the multi-cursor. So that way it will be up to me in the calling function to create this object. Actually, mm, alright, let's just get this working. So let's see if it works with just spheres. That's all we have anyway for now. I need to make a different authoring now. I feel like I'm going to take this collider authoring. I'm gonna mostly take this code and change it. So here we're gonna do public collider shape. You know what, I can probably just do this actually. But I need to make this reusable. Was it ambiguous? Me. Why can't add the collider directly? Oh, because it's not the right type. We should be fine like this. Mm, so here should have a switch on collider.shape, and so sphere is going to be this code. Do I need to set this every time here? Surely, I can just move this up here. Alright, so we have a bit of issues because, well, yeah. I'm still tempted to delete all this code. But I shouldn't do that because I need to. Mostly all I need is to do this. And probably I can just. It's just going to. Oh my fucking god, how? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Um. Okay, so. Yeah, we don't need this no more. Mm. Recent collider, the radius. So we want an int. We want to not seal collider that radius over quadrant system that cell size. Maybe I should pass this in. That's a float, right? Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I guess just return 0. So let's make this static inverse compile as well. Mm. So I guess we have less code to write here because we can just do collision. And then call collider that shit is colliding with. Our state A is going to be in TT. And B is this part here. I know we need to get in there even. But should be able to Okay, so here. Can I type? And we pass collision as a ref. Is it not? This is not initialized? Yeah. I guess we just, yeah. We'll see to maybe pull it at some point, but rather than recreating everything. Yeah, so I guess we're still gonna create entities. And add the component to it. Can I just do this? No. There's gotta be a better way to do this, but actually I need to do this on this thing. Oh, it's a mess, but yeah, I'll clean it up as we go. So here basically we should be calling collider that debug draw. Ref state, entity, and the color. Just get rid of all this. I should check this. Yeah, this doesn't do anything right now. The thing is here I want to call game utils that draw circle. But this might not play well with the burst compiler. So yeah, let's just see. Mm. Shit, I need this. So here, do int, this is gonna be getting there. Oh shit. Well, so I'm not even getting it. So I can just do this, right? Yeah. At least this is going to work with any collider, so that's better, I guess. Oh shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Is this struct? I love how it didn't tell me shit about this until I changed everything. Motherfucker. At least some of them should go away. Shit, I didn't see the count. So we have 11 right now, and a lot of them come from this one. So let's take this one. Here and here. This is all of it. No. Okay. There's only one that went away. What? Can't return float 3? You gotta be kidding me. It's gotta be a reference. Holy shit. Do I need to write it like this? Not like this, but... oh my god. I hope it's not bullshitting me because... I remember this shit. Actually, what I need to do is this and then pass center in here. What the fuck? Default. That's why if I'm doing all this for nothing, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna have to do it for Collider and yeah. So I have to make it void. And I have to make sure I assign to this. It's alright if it works. It's fine to do it like this, but... okay. They seem to be going away, so probably that's actually going to work. Something for this one. Motherfucker. Oh. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, there's probably some way I can do this with regex, but I feel like there's gonna be more work than just doing it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nope. Right. Mm. It's crazy you cannot return structs like. Mm. And here as well. Of course. Oh my god. Fucking shit. Can I actually do call it entity one? If I do this, is it going to copy it? No, actually works. Oh. I guess I should use a query like um God damn it. What the fuck? I swear I fucking hate this stupid format wrong. Let's see. Mm, shit. No, not allocator. New entity query builder. So here we do persistent. Oh. So we want anything anything that has a quadrant entity, a local to world, and dynamic buffer of collides with. And build state. The entity manager. So, I'll make another one for collisions. Let's call this old collisions query. So this is gonna be new entity query builder. Okay, so let's so anything that has a collision, basically. Build that's entity manager. And we want this with entity access. Can do this. Um, Hmm? No. Can I actually get a ref if I do 4 instead? Because that was the whole point of doing this actually. So that I can do NTT equals correlating entities I. But here is copying it, so. The question is, can I do this? I can't. Yeah, because it doesn't return a ref, this one. Like... So I have to pass it like this anyways, so it doesn't really matter. At least I can call it NTT and not NTT1. I have no idea if this is bad or not. I guess I could use the query also to index into an array instead. I don't know if that there's a difference or not. Oh wait, I need the buffer actually. Oh my god, no. Oh yeah, right, we're already in the 4 here. Just forge it, I guess. It's is that one gone again? Of course you can't. Can do this. Nope. I need to pass this as a ref as well. God damn it. This should be the last one. Where did I know it was gonna fuck me up with some bullshit like this? Where is this exactly? How the fuck can you make this read only? Like, uh, if I make this read only, it's completely useless. Although I'm recreating it all the time, so should I make it like kind of immutable as they were saying before? As they were saying on the Stack Overflow question? Can I make only this one read only? Yeah. Do you want to tell me more about this? Just like it's not valid because new. Motherfucker. Guess you just can't have it. Why would it not be valid? Like, they're both read only. Except in a static constructor or a variable initializer. This is completely useless. What the fuck can I do with this? So you cannot even initialize it or replace it. Like, it's just fucking useless. It really just becomes a absolutely useless data structure because you can't modify it. And then if it's not read-only, I can't do anything with it. I can't read from it. So that's fucking great also. Mm, can I like dereference it or? Because it seems like this is a pointer. Where is it is this managed? Like, I thought this wasn't managed stuff. So, does this mean I have to remove the burst compile? Is it because I have it over here as well? I think it's getting burst compile because it's getting called from another system that's burst compile. Mm, like, I don't know how to use this with burst compile. Like, I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. Now we get more. Now we get two of them. It's 196 and 197. I'm gonna take a bathroom break and I'll be right back. Mm. So I really don't understand this stuff. Like, how was it even working before, and now it doesn't. Like, yeah, this is the one that comes from the collision system, and this one is the same. So you're telling me if I remove this, let's make sure I remove it on both. Just wait for this to happen. The burst compilation is not done yet. How's this valid? This is insane. Like, if I don't burst compile this one, then that's fine. Mm, I don't understand it because this thing is burst compiled. Like the update of it. What the fuck is it? Um, the update is burst compiled here, so how the fuck is it okay for me to do this? Is it because of this thing actually? Doesn't change anything. That's strange. Um, and the whole thing is supposed to be both compiled, but I guess it's not, since it's since it's not streaming right now. Is it because it's in a different? Still not a problem, I guess. I don't get why. Is it because it's a different system, or I don't get it. This is crazy. Hmm. Wow, what the fuck's going on? Huh? What the hell is this? What the fuck? What the fuck do you need this? That's not gonna be a mouthful at all. That's not too verbal at all. I wonder if I need this to be outside of it. Because I don't think I can create a class in here. I'll just do this. I don't understand why you need this shit, like. Can I put this in two lines? Oh, this is so bad. Huh? But if I create a private class in here just to key this thing for whatever reason, we need to do this. Hmm. Guess we have no errors. So if I now replace this by entities map. Dot data. Seems to work so far. It seems like it's working. And AT here. Yeah. Is this actually going to work? Actually, I don't have an arrow anymore. Well, like there's still some places, like the create at least, where we're not. Yeah, we're not using it here either. But it's fine with it here. Alright, I'm gonna comment these two out and let's see what we need to update then. This one. Entities map data. Because the one is using it directly. I shouldn't. Well, actually, I can do this instead, I guess. I want to believe it, but I don't trust it. Mm, are we drawing it now? Yeah, we are. Um, I'd like to debug the number. Mm, yeah. Yeah, no, I need to do it in a specific type. Um, Actually, I can just uncomment this. Actually, let's do the opposite. Comment this, uncomment this one. Uncomment this one. This is fine. And we actually have enemies, so actually no, it's not fine because we want them to have colliders now, and we want to do collider the debug draw. Wait, why am I debug drawing it then? Yeah, I kind of just wanted to log it actually. I just wanted to see the count, really. Yeah. What? Well, let's chill on the number. I'm trying to change the stuff so that it's, yeah. We need to have a collider throwing now. So enemy collides with the player. It's a sphere, no offset, radius 1. No extents, no width, and that's it. And um, just do it like this. Alright, so if I run this, where the fuck are they? I think we're not drawing them. Hmm? Yeah. Hmm. I think I need to do it like this actually. Not sure. If it's not screaming, that's probably it. It has one. The fuck are you on about? $61. I need to get rid of this. I'm just trying to free something that's already getting freed by this. What? Oh. Oh. It's definitely not in the right place. It's to be over here. Okay, so we don't have errors and we do find some stuff. It seems, and I do say it seems like it's working. But I cannot know for sure because how come I don't see any of them? Mm, is the debug drawing stuff right now? It's supposed to. Mm, oh, whoa, what the fuck? I didn't change the code of this at all. That's bad. I kind of did actually. No, it's fine actually. I don't think that's gonna change anything. Mm. Yeah, I need to not seeing anything here. Let's put it here so we look the center as well. And let's log the shape as well, because it might go into here, which of course will not draw anything. But normally it's set up correctly, so plus it's the default value, so even if it's not set correctly, it should still work. I'm gonna reduce the number in the meantime, because otherwise it's gonna be really bad. Let's just do 1010. Okay, yeah. We're not drawing any colliders here, are we? There's literally no log of drawing anything. Why? Wait, is the query wrong? I didn't change it. But at the same time, it doesn't matter, because let's see. Collision detection system has no entities, so that might be the issue. Where's the debug draw thing? Let's draw hitbox. There. This one is getting 20, which is correct. Yeah. So the query is correct, but somehow we never call this? Is this even possible? Mm. We obviously are calling this, like there's no way around it. If there's something in here, then we are calling it. And this is this query for sure. Oh, wait, is this? Oh yeah, that might be it. Huh? Should probably do a single query. I said it was faster too. Fuck it. This is the three things that we want. It's not used, but ah shit. It's not in this order. Mm. It's kind of weird that it would still show it as updating. Okay, there we go. So if I... Okay, so let's just get rid of the logs in here. Here we get 0 because it's not enemies, but here we should get 1. Okay. It seems like it's actually working. So are we going to get collisions now? Before I forget, I should fix this because I need to do a public void on destroy. Shit. Destroy. Shit. State and do all collision query that dispose. Coloring entities query that dispose. Since I have them persistent, I don't know if it's useful to have them persistent or not. I don't know if it would be faster also to have this, these arrays allocated just once and persist. I feel like we're already taking a lot of time. Alright, I'll go to the bathroom and yeah, it's true. I should take a break. Well, I kind of don't want to right now. I'll see. Maybe we'll do half an hour more, something like that. Alright. I hit my fucking toe in the door. I want to break everything. Um. Alright, so let's start the profile and see what's going on, because I feel like we should be running faster than this. Mm. Let's see your frame. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. What's happening here? Ah, shit. Where's this? Where do I have this now? It's still the same. It's 144 bytes every time. I guess that's okay, probably. It's not coming from my systems either, so it's probably fine. But this thing, I don't think that's normal. And it's not that slow. It's running everything, takes 2 milliseconds. I don't know, like everything is at 0, but still end up with 214. Wait, no, not everything is at 0. Yeah, collision detection definitely takes some time. We don't know where. Hmm. How's this running parallel? Okay. Hmm. There's some profiler overhead, it seems. Most of the time is spent in the render loop, though. Which is kinda strange. So I guess it's not too bad. Fuck's sake, Oh yeah. And to remember not to have this running also. What the fuck happened? Yeah, well, I think it's still bad that we're allocating memory every frame. I'm waiting for the garbage collector's spike here. There. Yeah, so yeah, it's really bad. Mm, so we don't know. I mean, I have this one that's always adding some. But is this happening every frame as well? Because I mean, it's initialization, so uh, like, where is this? 'Cause it might just be this thing triggering it mostly, and mine will also trigger it at some point, but it should be much longer. Problem is, I don't know. What is allocating this memory? Mm-hmm. Mm, it's not normal that we cannot handle more than this. Takes 12 milliseconds. Yeah, we don't really know what exactly takes time in there. So maybe we want to start setting up a stopwatch, but I don't know if it's going to work with the burst compile. So I saw someone do restarts. I think you can do stop log. Oh my fucking god. I should remove this. Ah, this is so annoying. I swear. No. No. Well, I know it's not this, but I still want to see it. We know it because we have the timing in the profile already. Um, so we want to get more insight into this, but let's see what this gives already. Yeah, of course that was expected. Mm, I guess I can restart it here. Mm, mm, Are you fucking kidding me? This was working a second ago. Like, what the fuck? literally was working just before. Now it froze. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, it's out. Oh well, it's gonna be my start then. We'll try to actually time this properly. I guess without time. Oh wait, without burst maybe. Please stop. It's taking 6 seconds. Uh, I need to test it with less entities. Oh, 50. Maybe 8 and even. Yeah, we get nothing with this. I can't do it like this. Mm. This is a weird name. As none of this taking any time. Oh. Strange. I don't know if it's because of using the stopwatch. Hmm. And I guess I could not use the stopwatch and just use system API. Been seconds. Hmm? What the fuck? Oh. Definitely don't want to do that. Is it taking 0? It's definitely not taking 0. Look at this thing here. The whole thing is taking 13.81. Where the fuck is that time? Sure it's not spent just waiting for this. Mm. Mm. Just have 2 player loops. This is the rendering, so it's whatever. this is the debug draw. There's nothing in here. How is it taking this much time? Crazy. What's even taking time in here? It's kind of normal that the quadrant system is taking some time. This is perfectly acceptable. But where the fuck are those 40 milliseconds coming from then? That's crazy. shit, was still. But we are in deep profiling here, no? Otherwise we wouldn't get this data. It is the collision detection system. Mm. Something I could do is not create entities and register the collisions into a static nature array. But yeah, we'll do this on the next session. For now, I'm gonna take a break, and yeah, probably in around 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, we'll try to get to the bottom of this. Like burst is really confusing, the whole job stuff and all this. Like, I don't know how to do it properly, so yeah, well, we'll try to see. We'll try a few things to see if we can fix it. Well, not fix it, but make it perform better. And if we can, then we'll look, I don't know, at some tutorials or something like that. There's some other classes, maybe there's some stuff I'm not that familiar with that should understand better. Also, we're not using the jobs as much. Yeah, there's the example also, the Megacity one, where it's basically a full game where you can look at how they do things. And they're using jobs for literally everything, so maybe that's one of the problems also. So yeah, a lot of things that we can try to look at, I guess. And so yeah, so see you in a few hours.